press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi students, so under the chapter Heron's formula, so far we completed 2 questions in exercise 12.2. So now I will take up question number 3. Please refer to page 203. Question number 3, exercise 12.1. Question number 3. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, "Keep the park green and clean." See figure 12.10. If the sides of the wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 16 meter. 15 meter, 11 meter and 16 meter. Find the area of the painted in color. So find the area painted in color. So it is a triangular area as given, 3 sides are given. So given A equals 15 meter, B equals 11 meter and C equals 6 meter. 6 meter. So we have to find the area. So it is like this. Suppose if this is the triangle or triangular area. So if I call this as A equals 15 meter, B equals 11 meter and C equals 6 meter. 6 meter. So then I call this as A and this is C and this is B. Now this is the area given. We have to find the area of this triangle. So we have to calculate the semi-perimeter to use the Heron's formula. So we have this formula. We have area of triangle, or I will write area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is equal to square root of S into S minus A small s into S minus B into S minus C. So by Heron's formula, this is by Heron's formula. This is the relation. Area of the triangle is given by square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is given by, where S is equal to semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2. This equals A is 15 plus B is 11 plus C is 6. So that is 10, 20, 26 plus 6. So that is 32 divided by 3. So divided by 2. It is not the average, it is half of the semi-perimeter. So 6 plus 5, 7, 12. So 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. So S is given by 16. S is equal to 16. So therefore what will be the area? Therefore you substitute this value in this value of S and A, B, C values you substitute. So therefore area of triangle ABC will be equal to square root of s into s minus a. 16 into 16 minus a is 15. Observe this. And s minus b. So s is 16 again. 16 minus b is 11. And again 16 minus c. C is 6. Now this works out to be 16 into 16 minus 15 is 1 and 16 minus 11 is 5 and 16 minus 6 is 10. Now this is equal to 16 into 5 into 10. 16 into 5 into 10. So this equals square root of 800. Square root of 800. Now, so we have to find the square root of 800. You can use the division method, or we can do it like this. 800 can be written as square root of, you observe this, 400 into 2, that is equal to square root of 400 into square root of 2. So this is 800 can be written as 400 into 2, and this is, we have this relation, root of AB is equal to root A into root B. So we have to use this relation. So square root of 400 is 20. 20 into root 2. 20 into root 2. So root 2 value, if you take it as root 2 is equal to 1.41. For 2 digits if you take, you can multiply with this. So 20 into 1.41. 20 into 1.41. So you will get 28.2. So 28.2, it is in meters. Meter square is the area of the triangle. So this completes question number 3. So dear students, I will erase this and will continue with question number 4 now. Please note down. Now, question number 4. Question number 4 in 12.1. Find the area of triangle whose two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and perimeter is 42. So, given, observe this, given A equals, one side they are given 18 centimeter, B equals 10 centimeter, and instead of C they are given perimeter is 42 centimeter. So P equals 42 centimeter. So total periphery is known, therefore we can calculate the value of C. So therefore we have, first let us calculate the third side, length of the third side. So we have perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. If you have a triangle, then the perimeter is given by, if this is A is 18 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter, 18. So that is B equals 10 centimeter, let us say. So C is to be found out. So A plus B plus C is nothing but P, that we know. P is 42 centimeter is equal to A is 18 plus B is 10 plus C. So therefore C equals 42 minus 18 minus 10. 42 minus 18 minus 10. So C equals. So C we will get. So 42 minus 28. So 42 minus 28. So 42 minus 28. You will get the value of C. So therefore it is 14 centimeter. So therefore it is 14 centimeter. You will get 14 centimeter. This is 10, this is 14 and this is 18. So when all the three sides are known, now we can apply the Heron's formula. So now by Heron's formula, see, area you can call this as A B C, area triangle ABC is equal to S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C under the root. So where S is given by, where S equals, so perimeter divided by 2, A plus B plus C divided by 2, A plus B plus C divided by 2. So total of 3, we know that it is 18 plus 10 plus 14. So that is 42 by 2 is equal to 21. So 21. So therefore apply the formula. Therefore area. So I will write here. Therefore area ABC, area triangle ABC equals root of S is 21. 21 into 21 minus A, 21 minus 18 into 21 minus B, B is 10 into 21 minus 14, 21 minus 14. Now this equals area of triangle ABC is equal to root of 21 into 21 minus 18 is 3. This is 3. This is 11 into 11 into 21 minus 14. 21 minus 14. So that is 7. Now this equals now see, this is 23 into 3 into 7 into 11 into 11. So you will get, this is 23 into 3 into 7. If you group this, it is 441 into 11 under the root. So this equals root 441 into root 11. 441, root of 441. So that is, this is 21 into root 11. You can keep the answer like this, or root 11 value. You find out the root 11 value. 4851. 4851. So, or it will be 4851. If you multiply these two, you will get 4851. So, for that you can calculate the square root also. So, that will be 69.64. So, this will be 69.64 centimeter square. So, for 4851 you have to calculate the square root by division method. 4864. So, 4851 you take it like this, make two groups. So, now this is in the first group we have 48, 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49. So, therefore, go by 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. So, likewise, we proceed. 8 minus 6 is 2, 1, 5, 1. Now, you will get 6 plus 6, 12. 12. So, if you put 9 here, you will put 9 here. So, 9 9s are 81. 8 is the carry. 18 plus 8, 26. 2 is the carry. And 9 plus 1, 9 into 1, 9 plus 2, 11. 11. So, we are left with 0, 1, 1, 110. And put a decimal here, take 2 zeros. Take 2 zeros. So, 11,000. Now, for this, you have to add a 9. That is the procedure. So, 129 plus 9. So, 138. 138. So, 9 6 it will go 6 6. You multiply this and proceed. This is the procedure to find out the square root. Now, I will proceed with fifth one. Fifth one, the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25. Now, the sides given A equals A is to B is to C. Three sides are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 12 is to 17 is to 25. And its perimeter is 540 centimeter. So, given perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So, here we have to take like this. We don't know the actual lengths. ABC or in the ratio is given. So, let A equals 12x, B equals 17x, C equals 25x. So, therefore, perimeter equals, we have perimeter P equals perimeter equals A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Perimeter is A plus B plus C. So we have perimeter is 540 equals A is 12x plus B is 17x plus C is 25x. So this equals 540 equals, so that is 25 plus 35 plus 10, 45, 49, 49x, 49. So 25, 35, 45, 45 plus 9, 54, sorry 54. It is 54x. So therefore x is equal to, so 540 divided by 54 equals 10. So when x is known, therefore we can have the values of a, b, c. Therefore I will write here, therefore a equals 12x, that is 12 into 10 equals, because x is 10, this is 120 centimeter. Perimeter is 540 centimeter, therefore this is also in centimeter. B equals 17x, that becomes 17 into 10 equals 170 centimeter. C equals 25x equals 25 into 10 equals 250 centimeter. Now have the semi perimeter. We have P equals 540. So we have P equals 540 centimeter. Therefore semi perimeter S is given by A plus B plus C divided by 2. A plus B plus C is perimeter 540 divided by 2. So S equals 540 divided by 2, 250. So 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are, so 70, 270. So semi perimeter is 270 centimeter, 270 centimeter. So now by Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under the root. Now this equals square root of S is 270 into 270 minus 120, 270 minus 120 into 270 minus 120, 170 into 270 minus 250, 250. How? This equals square root of 270 into 270 minus 120 is 150 into 270 minus 170 is 100. 270 minus 250 is 20. So 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. Now this will be square root of 81 followed by 6 zeros. 81 followed by 6 zeros. So this is equal to, if you find the square root, it will be, so that is 9,000. So 9,000 centimeter square. This is the area. So this completes the fifth one. Last one I will take up, sixth one. Now, sixth one. An isosceles triangle has perimeter of 30 centimeter. So, given isosceles triangle, perimeter equals 30 centimeter. Isosceles triangle 30 centimeter, and each of the equal sides, each of equal sides equals 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. So you know that in a isosceles triangle, two sides will be equal. Two sides will be equal. So it is like this. You can see this side is equal to this side. It is an isosceles triangle. This is, say, A, B, C. AB and BC are given as 12 centimeter each, and also one more information is perimeter is 30. So that means 12 plus 12, 24 plus it must be 6. So this is 6 centimeter. So given here, this is B, opposite to B. This is A and this is C, small c. So we have A equals, you can see there, A equals 12, B equals 12, C is not known, and perimeter equals 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. So this is 30 equals, A is 12 plus C. So C equals 30 minus 12, that is equal to 6. So C we have calculated. And we know the perimeter. Semi-perimeter S is given by perimeter divided by 2, that is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, that is equal to 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Now we have to calculate the area of the triangle. So by Heron's formula, we have area ABC, triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equals square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S into s minus b into s minus c. So area triangle ABC equals S is, it is 15 into 15 minus A. You can see here A is taller. 15 minus B is taller. 15 minus C is 6 under the root. So this equals root of 15 into 15 minus 12 is 3. 15 minus 12 is again 3. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9. Now, this you can observe here. This is 15 into 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 9. So we can write it as 15 into 9 square under the root. Or I will write it as 9 square root into 15. Just I have reversed. So that is root of 9 square into root of 15. Root of 9 square is 9. 9 root 15. You can keep the answer like this, or you can find the square root also. Square root of 15 and then multiply with 9. So this completes exercise number 12.2. Dear students, under the next subtopic under this, application of Heron's formula. So there are example 4, 5, 6 and 4, 5, 6. 3 problems which are solved in your textbook. I hope they are easy to apply this formula and find out. So you may please work those problems which are in detail worked in the textbook. So now I will take up the exercise problems 12.2. So please note down this. So I will take up exercise 12.2 problems in the next class. So there we have 9 problems under that. I will solve those problems in the next class. Thank you, students.